Hello and welcome to another training video from ClearCell Web Design. In this video we're going to go over image file types and why they're important on your website. So let's jump over to our test site and take a look. The two main file types you're going to come across when managing a WordPress website or any kind of e-commerce website is PNG and JPG. These are the two most common used file types in regards to imagery. The visual difference between both of them is that one, PNGs, support transparent backgrounds. The other file type, JPGs, do not support transparent backgrounds. What does that mean visually? Visually, JPGs would generally have a white background, or it can be gray, it can be a gradient, it can be a lifestyle image or background of anything really, but generally if it's a product on a shop, it's got a white background. PNGs, unlike JPGs, generally have transparent backgrounds. Now they can have white backgrounds, they can have red, they can have all the colors, they can even have lifestyle backgrounds similar to JPGs, but the difference between a JPG and a PNG image is only PNG supports transparency. So if you wanted to overlay this image on something else, you can use a PNG format because that will get rid of the background for you. But on the purpose of having a product on a shop, you want to have it with a background. So you want to use JPG formats as much as possible. Other thing that comes with PNG file formats is file bloat. Basically two identical images with one being a JPG and one being a PNG. If we look here, they're both identical images. One's just PNG, one's JPG, but the PNG image is 347 kilobytes in size, while a JPG image is 126. That means that this image here is less than half the size of this image here. They both look identical, but one file size is half of the other, which means basically this one is going to load twice as fast as this one. And on a modern site, load time is everything. If you have a lot of images on a page, you want them to be as small as possible in relation to their file size so that they will load nice and fast. So how would we convert this one, which is the PNG, to the JPG format and put the background back onto it? You can do this by going to a website called pixlr.com. You can pay for an account on it to do more advanced things. We just want the free version because we just want to use the one simple thing that it allows us to do, and that's to resave the image. So if you go to Pixlr and just start up there, Pixlr X, quick and easy graphic design, just click on that. We just go to open media or open image. We click on the one we want, which is the PNG one, this one here. We go to open, just opens it up here. It's exactly 800 by 800. We haven't changed the width or the height. We just want to go to save. We want to change the file type from PNG to JPG, and it's already given it a white background. We just click on download, downloads it again. We show in folder, we take it out of there, so we can go to copy, or we can go to cut. We're going to copy it. We're going to go back down to where we had the image in here, and we're going to save it, paste it. So now we have it as a JPG with a white background. So we could upload that image directly back to our site, which would replace the image in this product with the transparent background. Or we could go one step further. And how we go one step further for performance, if we go to a website called Tiny JPG, we get this. Now, if we open our folder where our images are, and we find the one we've just downloaded, which is this one, we hover over this, we could see that our original JPG image file was 126. This one coming back down from Pixlr is 38.8. If we just double click on them to show you, so we open them, there's the 128 megabyte size image. This one here is the 38. They're nearly practically identical, but they're a fraction of the size. We can go one further. We take this image and drop it in here. We can bring it down from 39.8, 21.4 kilobytes in size. We just click download. We download it again. You can drag it directly from there and drop it back into our folder here. So now we have 4 of these images. This is the second smallest size we had. And this is the smallest size that we have. And again, practically identical. This one is 20 kilobytes in size. We've gone from having practically this image, which is the PNG one, and this is our optimized JPG one. They're nearly identical, but we hover over the PNG one again, 346 kilobytes in size, down to 20 kilobytes in size. So the load time of this image is 200 times faster than this one. Okay, I hope that answers any questions you might have on image file types and what you should be using on your website. I hope that the 2 websites we've given you, Tiny JPG. Tiny PNG is the exact same website, only for PNG formats, and pixlreditor.com. I hope those help you out. If you have any questions, please feel free to let us know. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.